Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to buy Robux with a debit card. Now this is a very quick and easy thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so that you don't miss any important steps. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up Roblox, and once you are on here and logged in, we just want to go into the top right corner where we can see this little Robux symbol, and you should be able to see it just to the right of your username. So go ahead and click on that to be brought to this page here. And here we can see all of the Robux packages. So the first one starts at $4.99 and we get 400 Robux. And it goes up to £200 and that will give you 22,500 Robux. So you just want to pick which one you want to buy by just clicking on it. And then from there it will tell us all of the payment types they have available. So since we're trying to buy Robux with a debit card, we're going to go down to the second option, which is debit card. Go ahead and click on that. And then from there, you'll be taken to this Stripe checkout page, and we'll just have to enter in some of our card details. So to start with, you just want to put in your email address, and then from there, you can just enter in your card information. So you have to put in your card number, the expiry date here, and then the CVC as well. From there, we want to just put in the cardholder's name, and then we can also put in our country and also our postal code or zip code, depending where you're from. So from there, you can choose to save the payment method if that's something you want to do. However, if you're not worried, you can just leave it unticked. And then you can look over at the payment summary here on the left. And if you're happy with it, you can go ahead and click that green pay button. And after you've done that, you will have bought Robux with your debit card. So that's exactly how you can buy Robux with a debit card. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out. And like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.